In this presentation, you will learn about the Sadharnikaran model of communication. The Sadharnikaran model of communication was developed by the communication scholar Dr. Nirmala Mani Adhikari. The word Sadharan is composed by the combination of Saha and Dharan, where Saha means same and Dharan means to get or to amplify. The Sadharnikaran model of communication is referred to as the Hindu concept of communication, and its first mention is found in the commentary written by Bhattanayaka on Bharat Muni's Natya Shastra. Thus, the word has its root in Bharat Muni's Natya Shastra. Bharat Muni describes Sadharnikaran as that point in the climax of a drama where the audience becomes one with the actor who lives an experience through his or her acting on stage and starts simultaneously reliving the same experience. It illustrates how communicating parties interact in a system to achieve Sahridayata. Sahridayata is a state of commonality, mutual understanding, and oneness. Sadharnikaran means making common. This can be achieved by those who are Sadriyas. It means that ideas can be shared only by those who are Sadriyas or one of heart. Understanding can take place only among those who are of one mind on a particular issue. Thus, the basic assumption of the concept of Sadharnikaran is that we must first aim at achieving Sahridayata, that is, oneness of heart and mind. According to this model, both sender and receiver become Sahdriyas in the end of the communication process. The Sadharnikaran model of communication is similar to the Western concept of communication. There are common attributes between the sender and the receiver. The structure of the model, as proposed by Adhikari, incorporates the notion of two-way communication process resulting in mutual understanding of the common parties. The model includes various elements: Sahridayas, the sender and receiver; Bhav, moods or emotions; Abhivyanjana, expression of encoding; Sandesha, message or information; Sarani, channel; Rasaswadana, receiving, decoding, and interpreting the message, and finally achieving the result. Doshas, noises. Sandarbha, context. Pratikriya, process of feedback. The Sadharnikaran model of communication has a significant place among other theories of communication as it shows how oneness can be achieved in a society divided by multiplicity of cultures, castes, languages, and religions. In such a scenario, it is compulsory for people to be Sadriyas to establish the communication chain among them. It is this quality that mass communicators aim at. You can sway a lot of people if you can make them agree on a particular issue. This is what advertising does. By employing persuading techniques, it makes millions of human beings behave in the same manner. Consumers who are scattered over the globe are convinced by an advertiser to buy a product. He makes all of them sadriyas by controlling their thought process and hypnotizing a multitude to act like puppets. You must have seen thousands of consumers in malls waiting in queues to buy things that others are buying. This is the utility significance of Sadharnikaran in the modern world. The basic beliefs in the Sadharnikaran model of communication are similar to those propounded in the West. Only the context, sandarbha, and the language are different. It is easier to bring hearts together than minds, and people are often exhorted to think with the heart and not the mind. According to Sadharnikaran model of communication, Abhivyanjana, which is encoding, and Rasaswadana, which is decoding, are responsible for the success or failure of a communication effort. Thank you for watching the presentation.